Hello everyone and welcome to My Stories, Ejale. Today, we're diving into a crucial chapter in Indian history that reshaped the lives of millions, the Kerala Land Reform Bills. These transformative laws redefined land ownership and marked a turning point in the fight for social justice in Kerala. Let's break it down. In the mid-20th century, Kerala was a land of stark contrasts. On one side, there were wealthy landlords owning vast stretches of land. On the other, landless peasants and agricultural laborers toiled under oppressive systems like tenancy and bonded labor. This deep-rooted inequality demanded change. Enter the Kerala Land Reform Acts. The first major milestone came with the Kerala Agrarian Relations Act of 1957, introduced by the first communist government of Kerala, led by E.M.S. Namboodiripad. This act aimed to provide land to the tillers, abolish tenancy, and protect agricultural laborers from exploitation. But it wasn't smooth sailing. The act faced stiff opposition from landlords, political parties, and even the central government. It was challenged in courts and was one of the reasons for the dismissal of the EMS government in 1959. Yet, the spirit of reform couldn't be extinguished. In 1969, the Kerala Land Reforms Act was enacted, refining the earlier provisions. This act imposed ceilings on land ownership, distributed surplus land to the landless, and gave tenants the right to purchase the land they cultivated. It was a revolutionary step that empowered millions and reduced the influence of feudal landlords. The impact: the reforms transformed Kerala into a state with one of the highest levels of land equality in India. They contributed to the state's impressive social indicators, like high literacy rates and better health outcomes. While challenges like small landholdings and urbanization remain, the legacy of these reforms is undeniable. The Kerala Land Reform Bills weren't just laws. They were a statement that land, a fundamental resource, should belong to those who work on it. They embody the power of progressive policies and the resilience of a society striving for equality. Thank you for joining me in exploring this pivotal moment in history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to My Stories for more captivating narratives from the past and present. Until next time,